This is BB Venture Hats. I'm here to train you on how to make your head wear with your fiber. You need your fiber. As you have seen it, this is fiber. You need your fevet, that is apochi. You need your trim that you are going to use to design it. Then your scissors, your tape roll, and needle and thread. We have the measurement for the head. We have different type of head. We have 22, 23, 24. It depends on the size of the head of the person that you want to make it for. Now, to measure your head wear, you spread your cloth. My breadth is 7.5, whereby the length of the head size is 22, 23. You can measure the head that you want to use it for, but I'm going to use it for my own head, which is 22. Then your length will be 22. You measure 22 out of your fevet. This is my 22. Because of the sewing, because of the way you are going to end the back, you can put 1.5. That means you are going to measure 23.5. This is it. Because fevet stretch, this is it. Then the next thing is to fold it into two, turn it to the other side, not the right side. Look at this place. It has two faces. The right side is shining more than the other side. Then turn it like this and fold it into two. Fold it into two. Your breadth can be more than 8.5 if you want it to be bigger, more than this that I'm doing. This, then we are going to sew it down. You run your stitches down to the end. You can use your machine. You can use your sewing machine to do it, and you can use your hand, but you have to do it neatly. Then I'm using my hand to do the stitches. Run it down. You can see I've sewed it down to the end of it. Then the next thing is for you, this place, you close it with your machine, or you can use your needle and thread to do it. Look at the way I want to do it. You fold it like this, then like this. Then you close the mouth with your machine. You can see it. I've closed it. The next thing is to turn it to the right side. You're turning it, you can turn it, you can use something to turn it. You can use your hand to turn it, bring it to the right side. You can see it. Got it. Then you have to put your fiber, take your fiber and put it inside. Yeah, you can see I've stuck my fiber inside it. Then this mouth, make sure everything is equal. This mouth, you fold it again. Then you use your needle and thread to secure it. Your sewing machine to secure the mouth together like this. Then you can see it, I've secured it together. The next thing is to bring the mouth. You join the mouth together. But before you join the mouth together, you will use something to bring it together. You can cut a small cloth. To use these pieces of cloth to do is to extend the hand. Sew it. Sew it at the edge. Then this other one we join with it. I'm going to use the hand to join the back here together. You can see it, I've joined the hands together with the small pieces that I call. You can use your sewing machine to join it. Because I'm using hand to teach you, that's why I'm using my hand to sew it. I've joined it together. Then you can see our design. The design I'm going to make on it, I cut my cloth, the velvet. This is 10.5. I cut my design 10.5. Then the breadth is 2 centimeters. I'm going to fix my fiber inside it the way I did the first one. I've put my fiber inside the small one that I sewed and measure. Then you join the two mouths together. Then it will give you something round like this. Then you tack the end of it together and you bring it to this place. Then you tack it with it. Sit at the back of it. Then tack. You can secure it with your needle and thread. Design. This is my design on top of. Now I'm going to use my trim to make a beautiful design on it. I'm going to use my ugum to join it together. You can use your candle wax to join it. You can see my trim. This is where I'm going to end it. Then you put your ugum or your wax candle at the back to join it. like, share, and subscribe.